Welcome to St. Angela's School.
This is our kindergarten classroom. We are excited to be one of a few schools to offer a full-day programming for our kindergarten students. The kindergarten program is half a day and is taught by a certified teacher and is based on Alberta Education's program of studies. The Extensions program is offered for the other half of the day by an early childhood educator with a focus on inquiry-based learning. Many parents find that a full-day kindergarten program is exactly what their little ones need to thrive. The Extensions program complements the kindergarten program by nurturing the child's natural motivation to learn about their world. The room is planned with intentionality and alongside the children. Materials are selected to capitalize on student interest and curiosity and for students to engage with freely to construct meaning. You can expect your child to experience learning about the natural world, opportunities for creative expression, including painting, drawing and dance, dramatic and active play, as well as sensory stimulation, also calm spaces and quiet times for reflection. As a very large school campus, we feel blessed to offer a variety of diverse learning spaces for our students. Our sacred space combines a rich Catholic faith heritage with Indigenous literature, artifacts, and artwork. It is a place for students to be comfortable and feel connected. It is a place of prayer and reflection.
We're very excited to offer a Green STEM focused program at St. Angela's School.
The aim of our program is to integrate the different disciplines and knowledge of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The reference to the color green indicates a commitment to environmental stewardship and our desire to care for all of God's creation. With young kids, it is very important that all activities work towards fostering a love of learning and an understanding of the scientific inquiry process. It should help them develop skill sets in inquiry so they become strong critical thinkers. Above all, STEM is fun. When students are truly engaged, they physically lean into the work. This is when we know that our kids are really involved in deep learning. We like to see our students identify and develop their areas of passion where they have time and space to explore the topics and areas that fascinate them and capture their attention. The best STEM activities are integrated and use skill sets the way they are used in the real world. Our STEM focus is really a philosophy and an approach to learning. Just like they learn about photosynthesis, the digestive system, or electricity. Every child should have a chance to learn about algorithms, how to make an app, or how the internet works. At St. Angela's School, our STEM program is for everyone.
In our music room, we offer high-quality music programming with comprehensive music instruction. We are extremely lucky to have class sets of handbells, chimes, ukuleles, drums, as well as a variety of org instruments. We value this programming very much and we like to highlight our students' growth in different ways, but especially in our Christmas concert each year. We spend a lot of time at St. Angela thinking about our learning environment. We know that after parents and their teachers, the learning environment is also extremely important. We use artwork, displays, and interesting objects to engage our students and increase their curiosity. It is not unusual to see a student pause in our hallways and examine something on display before bouncing back to class.
We are very proud of our Learning Commons. This is an active space where our students love to work together or love to ask questions, experiment, design, and build. We are a school that is rich in technology and other learning resources to support our STEM program, and many of these are housed here in our Learning Commons, from the light tables to the leg wall to our Tower Gardens. This is a learning environment that our school community loves and spends a lot of time in. It is truly the hub of learning in our building. As a green STEM-focused school, we spend a lot of time outdoors. We have a huge outdoor space for students to run and play. We also have access to 2 playgrounds, one of which is new and was designed to be wheelchair accessible so that all students can play and have fun outside with their friends. We also have a new outdoor classroom, which is used year-round by our classes. And research shows that more time spent outdoors and learning in nature benefits students' mental health and academic performance. For some students, a quiet space is just as important as stimulating and active environment. We like to provide quiet spots throughout our school for students who need a quiet moment away from the busyness of the learning environment to reflect and regroup. In these spaces, we consider lighting, seating, and comfortable items that will provide a soothing atmosphere to students.
Imagine making plastic from milk.
Imagine extracting DNA from a strawberry.
Imagine using makey-makey devices with everyday objects.
Imagine taking part in a global robotics program.
Imagine learning to code a robot to interact with and respond to its surroundings.
Imagine.
Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you. Please check our website or feel free to call the school for any additional information.